मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत मज़ेदार था, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया रैम्प पे वॉक करने के लिए। और ये ब्यूटीफुल जो ड्रेस अमित ने बनाया है वो मतलब दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल।
Huge gown. It is all hand embroidered.
या
And it
आपको
took a lot
डिटेल्स
of
तो ये
time
बताएंगे।
To make this gown, yeah, actually, yeah, there are layers of organza, silk organza that has been used, and these ostrich feathers have been sourced from South Africa, for this gown. And it took a lot of time to make such kind of outfit, and the color looks so stunning on her against her skin. I think on any Indian, skin tone, this is going to look really fabulous. And I think it's a new color for which I think everyone Indian audience would like to wear something like that. My clients would love to wear something like yeah.
जैसे एक प्रिंसेस लगी हैं आपको कितना क्या कहना चाहेंगी, आपको क्या इसके बारे में?
आपने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया तो जी, वो बिल्कुल सही है। मैं बहुत प्रिंसेस टाइप फील कर रही हूँ। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने अभी एक फैंटेसी मूवी से बाहर जंप मार के ना रियलिटी में आई हूँ। हाँ जी,
कितना कंफर्टेबल है?
बहुत कंफर्टेबल है। आई कैन मूव अराउंड वेरी नाइसली, आई कैन मूव माई हैंड्स एग्जैक्टली। या इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल।
ओके, अगर फैशन की बात करें तो आपकी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन
मेरे लिए फैशन का मतलब, मेरे लिए फैशन स्टेटमेंट तो आई डोंट थिंक मैं ऐसी बंदी हूँ जो मैं फ़ैशन ट्रेंड्स को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो नहीं करती। मैं अपने मूड के हिसाब से ड्रेस करती हूँ। मैं खुद को प्लीज़ करने के लिए ड्रेस करती हूँ, फ़ैशन पुलिस को प्लीज़ करने के लिए ड्रेस नहीं करती। और दूसरी बात, अगर फ़ैशन स्टेटमेंट अगर देना भी है तो मेरे लिए बीइंग कंफर्टेबल इज़ माय फैशन स्टेटमेंट। देन वेदर इट्स पैंट्स और अ गाउन, और if I am wearing an uncomfortable gown, I can't just do that. So the reason why I am liking this because it's very comfortable, और मुझे कहीं भी फस नहीं करना पड़ रहा कि यहाँ से उठा रही हूँ, ये ऐसे कर रही हूँ, वो ऐसे कर रही हूँ। I'm just moving around freely.
या सो जैसे कि वैलेंटाइन भी आ रहा है, so what's your Valentine plan?
My Valentine plans is nothing. I might be at home sleeping and spending some quality time with my pet and my family.
And having some champagne.
No,
Probably,
yeah.
no?
I'm dieting.
या मैम आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Regarding the collection, I think it's a gorgeous collection and it's all couture. So you can see the intricate, we actually do intricate embroideries, and we especially keep this in mind that everyone should be comfortable wearing the clothes. Fashion is not about going haywire, and it's all about how comfortable you are and beautifying a woman's body. So yeah.
The collection had a lot of, my fantasy for the collection was, that the royal princess is going to an ethereal garden, and there are beautiful butterflies and flowers and all. So there are a lot of flowers and butterfly motifs that have been used in the collection. Not in all the pieces, like in this one also, but it's like it's like an enchanted forest that she goes in from morning till evening. So there are colors from morning. As you can see, the white colors, then the color palette started to, the blues, and then the afternoon colors of peaches, then sunset colors you saw, then you saw colors of the evening, like dark evening, and then there was black night. So the collection, ended like that. And the collection also became a little serious later, with a lot of gothic styling in it. As you can see, I was inspired by, obviously the collection has a very romantic feel, but then at the end it was becoming more darker, like a darker romance, so with a lot of gothic styling in it, So that actually you could see in the collection also, and it became much more grander and more opulent later.